We're ready for the next
Entertainment!
Yeah.
So, since lahat tayo may switch dapat, energetic tayo. Tayo ulit tayo kasi magsising and dance na si Tita Kima!
Yeah.
Good morning.
Ilagay mo na yung prize sa inyong bangko. And then let's all stand up and let's dance and sing with Ate Kima.
Yes, so, happy pa lahat today? Happy? Hindi ko naririnig. Happy pa lahat today? Yes! And let's say thank you to our visitors for giving us this very good school supplies and at the same time for the initiative of our city government of Baguio and for inviting us. Let's clap our hands and let's sing together. Thank you. Thank you. All right. So are you ready for my next sing and dance? Yes? Of course, but this time, what I want you to do is I want you to find your pair. Okay? Maghanap kayo ng partner nyo. And at the same time, magkakalayo kayo konti kasi it needs, movements. Okay? Sige,
Let's line them up.
Hanap tayo ng
Let's go ahead and line them up.
Sige, mga tita, kuya, need your help.
Hanap ka ng partner. Where is your partner?
So my partner is si Tita Kim.
Very good. So, walang partner.
Sige, si ate at kuya, you can partner.
By pair.
Yes!
Yes. Ano na?
Ayan. And also for our parents, you can also join if you want. You're very welcome. Okay. So,
Okay, let's go.
so first, I will teach muna yung action. Okay?
Susundan natin si
So, this sing and dance song, it's about faith, grace, love, and hope. Okay? So, repeat after
Grace.
me. What's the first one? Hope. No, the first one is faith. So,
Faith,
faith. The next one is grace. The third is
faith,
the third
grace,
one is love.
love,
And then hope. O
And
sige,
hope.
later na lang. So I'm gonna
Okay.
teach you first the stepping for each of those values. Okay?
alright.
So first, ang faith is ganito. So parang
Faith,
nag-pray lang.
it's just like you're praying.
Yes, because faith in Tagalog is
Pananampalataya.
pananampalataya. Or pananalig.
Pananalig.
Faith. So we need to have a strong faith. Yes?
Yes.
So,